What's up guys, and welcome to the first tech review video on my channel. In this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the TWS wireless earphones. They come in different colors. I went for the white because I think they look cool. Now this is a personal choice, you can choose whatever color you want. Let's see what we have inside of the box. The first thing that we have is the manual. Inside the manual we have the case, and inside the case we have the charger. It's a lightning cable. I'll leave all the information at the end of this video, also in the description of this video. Is the manual. It is written in Chinese on one side and in English on the other side. The case has a soft feeling. It's made of a matte plastic. It's really soft and shiny. At the bottom here there's a charging port and an LED light. There's also a button that charges the earphones. Inside the case we are presented with a pair of earphones. When you take them out, they automatically switch on, and when you put them back inside the case, they automatically switch off. So as you can see here, there's a blue and red light flashing. That means they are ready to pair. They come with auto pair, so in other words, they automatically pair with the device that was last connected. As I mentioned before, it comes with a lightning cable that has to charge a 30 mAh battery. It takes about 45 minutes to charge, and it has 3 hours listening time and 4 hours talk time. Both ears can be in standby mode for about 6 hours. They come with a multi-touch function. That means they can increase and decrease the volume, answer calls, and do much more. They also come with a microphone. In terms of how comfortable they are comfortable and fit nicely in the ear. They do not fall out as easily, and also they do not hurt the ear. The sound quality is good. Everything is clear, but one thing I wish was better was the bass. It's not as clear as I would have liked it to be. I've been using these now for about 2 weeks. And should you buy them? Yes, for the price they are amazing. The battery lasted me for a week. That's because I don't use them a lot. One negative thing is that they grab a lot of attention from afar. So from afar you can see that someone is wearing earbuds. But overall they are amazing. 4 stars from me. If you found this helpful, then consider leaving a like, subscribing, turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I make another review. All the information will be on your screens for the next 10 seconds. And the outro will come after that. Thanks for watching.